Hi, hello students. How are you today? Are you okay? Or KO? I am okay. I hope you are okay. This is a new English video for math subject, and today is the last video for this term, so we hope. And next week we are gonna be able to meet at the school already. Are you happy with that? Are you happy? Yes or no? Do you want to go to the school? Go to the school, yes or no? Yes, so I am. And today, as you know, we have already a long time. There's a long time that we don't go to the school, so we cannot make test. But I feel you need to do tests to get a lot of scores, a lot of points in your rate. So I have prepared a test for you for units 1 and 2. And next week, in the first time we meet, we are gonna make this test. Okay? So today we are going to review the test together. Okay? I'll let you know which questions I have prepared for you. So you can also check what is the test about and review the vocabulary and all the operations we have learned together in these last 8 or 9 weeks. And you can prepare yourself to make a perfect test. Would you be able to make a perfect test? Yes or no? I hope so. So this test have 5 questions. And we are going to review all of them together, okay? So sometimes I will ask you to check your book to review some concepts, okay? So if you have your book, please prepare it. And now we are going to the test. Okay, so here we are in the test. This is, it should be like A4, okay? The first page has 3 exercises, and then there is another page with another 2 exercises. Okay, we have vocabulary, as you see here. We have vocabulary. Okay, we have an exercise that, so we have to match the words. And here in this page we have also additions. Okay, this is the first 3 exercises. And then we have another page number 2. And in this page we have subtractions. I hope you know what is it. Okay, subtraction, this is a subtraction. And then in the exercise number 5 we have word problems. Okay, we have 2 word problems. Word problem A and word problem B. I'll explain you all the exercises, how you need to do it. Okay, so let's go back to the first page. Here we have the first exercise in our test, that is vocabulary. Okay, vocabulary. So do you know these words? Can you read this word? The first word, this. Can you read? Let's read together. Addition. Can you read with me, please? Addition. That's right. Okay, addition is an operation that we use this symbol. Okay, here is an example. For example, 14 plus 8. Okay, this is an addition, and we use the symbol plus. Okay, as you see here. So I want you to write here in this line. Okay, in this line I want you to write the meaning of this word in Thai. Okay, as you know, I'm not a good Thai writer, so I'm not gonna write. Okay, maybe I'm gonna try. Okay, in this is for make an example. Okay, okay, this is the right answer I want you to know. As you see, my My writing is not okay because in the tablet it's difficult, but I want you to write it down so beautiful, and please write it clear because for me it's difficult to read Thai. Okay, next word, let's go to the next word. Okay, let's read together. Second word is subtraction. Can you read with me, please? Subtraction. Okay, as you know, the subtraction is the operation that we use this symbol, minus. Okay, for example, 24 minus 10. Okay, this is a subtraction because we have the minus symbol. Okay, subtraction. How you write subtraction in Thai, do you know? So you have to write it right here. Okay, don't forget. The next word, let's read together. Word number 3, this one. Let's read together. Brackets. Brackets. Okay, and this word is very important because it's the symbols that we use for an operation with mixed addition and subtraction. So for example, if we write an addition like this in horizontal, for example, 42 plus 15, and now we have one more subtraction, so we cannot write like this. Okay, we cannot, because this is difficult to do. It is really confusing. So we use brackets. This is brackets. Okay, so we use an open bracket and a closed bracket in any operation we want. We can do it here, or even if you prefer, you can do it here. Okay, but we need to use brackets. Okay, do you know how you call these things in Thai? Yes, I know you know. So you write here. Okay, you can write here over this line. Next word, the word number 4 is this. Okay, what is this word reading? Let's read together. Regroup or regrouping. Okay, regroup or regrouping. What is regrouping? Okay, this we use with subtractions, and is when we have to regroup numbers from one place to another. For example, normally it happens when the number in the top is smaller than the number down, right down. For example, 26 minus 19. Okay, so first in the first place, in the ones place, we have 6 minus 9. As you know, 6 is less than 9, so we cannot make this subtraction. So what we need to do, we need to borrow. Okay, we need to borrow from number 2 that becomes in 1, and another one becomes comes, or we regroup the number 1 in this place, and number 6 becomes in 16. Okay, so this is, call it regrouping. Okay, because we take one number from here, from 10's place, and we regroup into 1's place. Okay, so now we can do it. 16 minus 9, okay, and we continue like that. We can finish the operation. This is regrouping. How you call this operation or this action? So there is a name and you have to write it here, write down. Okay, let's continue now with carrying. Can you read with me, please? Carry or carrying. Okay, there is an ing form. What is carrying? Carrying is related with addition. Okay, addition, and we use in an addition that normally the sum of one place is more than 10. For example, 15 plus 15. Okay, here in ones place, the addition is 5 plus 5, 10, right? So it's 10 or more than 10 when we use carrying. As you know, we don't write 10 like this, okay, 1 0 10. We cannot do that, okay? So what should we do? As you know, we write the number 0 in ones place, and the number 1 we carry over tens place. Okay, so now we got 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. Okay, this movement to carry, to move this number 1 from tens place to up there in the top of the operation in the same place is to carry the number over, or carrying the number over. So exercise number 1 is already finished. If you got that exercise all right, all the words right, you have automatically 2 points out of 10. Okay, the whole test is going to give you 10 points, and if you got wrong right the first exercise, you will get 2 points already. Okay, now exercise number 2, we have to match the words and the numbers. Okay, this is about the position of each number in an addition and in a subtraction. Okay, each number has a name. These are the names. We have 3 numbers and 3 names, so we need to match. What do you think is a sum? Is this, is this, is this? You match up. Okay, you can match the word you think is the correct one, and the same with this. Okay, this is just totally aleatory. Okay, we think that this is maybe this is maybe this, and this is maybe this. This is not correct, right? So don't do like this. This is just an example. And the same, okay, here subtrahend. What is subtrahend? Maybe it's this, and difference maybe it's this, and minuend maybe it's this. Remember, that's not right. It's just an example to let you know what you have to do. If you forgot, okay, you can check the information you need in the page number 59. Number 59. Okay, there you have an explanation about the relationship between addition and subtraction, and an explanation about which one is the name of each number in additions and subtractions. So if you don't know how to solve this, just go straight to this page and check it out. Okay, good. Now let's move on. Here we have exercise number 3. Exercise number 3 is quite simple. It's just make additions. Okay, this is addition, and it could be with or without carrying. Okay, for example, with carrying should be, for example, maybe all of them are with carrying. Okay, so any number, any addition that adding just one place you get more than 10, it is with carrying. Okay, if it's less than 10, it's just without carrying, but it doesn't matter. Okay, you just have to solve the addition. For example, this 4 plus 8 12, we carry 1. 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 Okay, I'm not telling you, but this is how to do it. Easy, right? Okay, now let's move to the next page, page number 2, and we got exercise number 4. Exercise number 4, that is about subtractions with and without regrouping. Same than before. Okay, just solve the operation you are seeing here. You have 1 2 3 4 operations. Okay, I think this is a really easy. Okay, this is really easy. So how to do it? Just solve it. For example, here, this place. Okay, this place 5 minus 5. How much? 5 minus 5 equals 0. So 0. 9 minus 4. How much? So you write here. Okay, and you got already the answer. And finally, we have the hardest exercise in this test. Okay, these were problems. We have 2 of them. Okay, I'm gonna explain you what does it means and how to solve it. Okay, and you just have to solve the operation. Okay, here first of all, let's read together. Okay, the word problem we are going to read together. Let's do it. A balloon stand has 57 red balloons. It has 18 more yellow balloons than red balloons. How many balloons has the stand for sale altogether? Okay, thank you for your reading. Okay, this is about a balloon stand. A stand is a shop, a small shop that sells things, normally not expensive things. In this case, they sell balloons. Do you know what is a balloon? Okay, like this. This is a balloon. Okay, do you like to play with balloons? Is it funny? I think it is. Okay, I think you like. This is a balloon. Okay, so they have 2 different colors of balloons. Okay, they have red balloons. Red balloons. Okay, they have 57 red balloons, and then they have yellow balloons. Okay, so the point is that the number of red balloons we already know, 57, but we still don't know how many yellow balloons are there, because he says that we have, or the stand has 18 more yellow balloons than red balloons. Okay, so how to solve that? So we have to take the number of red balloons, that is 57, and make an addition. Okay, 57 plus 18. Okay, as you have here, we are using brackets. So we'll get the number of yellow balloons, and then the question is asking us how many balloons all together. Okay, it means yellow and red. So now we know how many red balloons, 57, and how many yellow balloons. So after that we have to make another addition. Okay, so for make it clearer, in the part that say work, first you have to do this: 57 plus 8. So you will get the number of yellow balloons. After that, there's another addition, because we have to know how many balloons are all together. Okay, so number of yellow balloons, that comes from here, plus 57. Okay, so we will get the final result. Okay, after that, when you got already the final answer, the final sum, you just write this number into the gap. Okay, here's the answer. I write it for you. Okay, I wrote it for you. Let's say the stand has balloons for sale all together. Okay, I tried to make it the easiest way for you to understand and solve. Okay, and there's one more exercise, the word problem number 5b. And here, first, we are going to read. Okay, let's read together. There are 53 students in a classroom. Today, just 37 came to the class. How many students are absent today? Okay, so there is a classroom, and in the classroom there are in total 53 students. A lot, right? Almost double than us in our class. And today we had just 37. Okay, as you see, this number is less than this. Okay, so the question is, how many students are absent? How many students are absent today? Absent. So what should we do? We have to make a subtraction between the number of students in the classroom and the number of students that came. So we will get the number of students that are absent. Okay, so you just have to do this. 53 minus 37, you will get the final sum, and you will fill the same number here in the answer. That is that today the students are absent. Okay, I think it's clear and easy, and now you have all the knowledge you need to get a full score in the next week test. I want you all to get full score. Okay, I have prepared it really easy, so please spend time trying to memorize the exercise and how to solve it, and you will get the top score in the class. Yes, you will be able to do it. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next week in the school.